Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello everyone. So here, find out the fixed cost. When zero bottles are produced, cost is given. So taking x equals to 0, c of 0 plus 1500, so it is equals to 0 plus 1500. So from here, our fixed cost is $1,500. So I hope you find out this video useful.